Hey everyone, I am the Public Programs Coordinator, Shakeelah Rahmaan, and I have Ashaya Rahmaan here to do a DIY video for you. She's going to show us how to make a candy dispenser. Say hey to everyone, Ashaya.
Hey.
Okay, what she needs to make this dispenser, she needs paints, she needs candy, she'll need a flower pot, she needs an ornament, and she'll need paintbrushes, a cup with water, and some napkins. Now you can get the flower pots and the ornaments from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 to a pack, and of course they're just $1. So the first thing she's going to do is she's going to get her big paintbrush out. We have 2 different sizes, one to paint the pot and one for some details afterwards. And she's going to paint her pot pink. Another item you'll need is a hot glue gun. You'll need the hot glue gun to put the ornament on top of the flower pot. All right, now we have a nice colorful flower pot. We're going to let that dry, and we're going to go and get our hot glue gun. Again, that's another item you'll need. So we're going to let this air dry. If you have a blow dryer, you can also use that. And we'll be right back with you. All right, now we have our painted pot. It's all dry. We're going to put a little details on there. Our little details on there. We are going to get the small paintbrush. She's going to paint a black circle on there. And that just represents where the candy would come out. And then she's going to rinse that paintbrush out, and she's going to paint a gray circle on there, and that just represents the knob. Like if you put a quarter in there and you twist the knob to make the candy come out. She's going to grab her ornament, and she's going to stuff candy in there. You can put whatever candy you want in there. If you don't have paper on the candy, please clean out your ornament first. She's going to put the lid on there. Those lids are a hassle sometimes. Okay, she got it on there. And now she's going to glue the ornament to the flower pot. So let's see Ashaya do that. That's Gorilla Glue. You can also use hot glue. Okay, hold it on there for a second. All right. It'll take a little time for it to dry, and we're going to make sure ours dry properly. Hold it again. We're just going to hold it for a little bit, but that is basically your DIY candy dispenser. If not, we'll go and put some hot glue on it if it doesn't dry, but that's all you have to do, and then you can just pop the top and grab your candy out as you want to eat it. So again, Ashaya has taught us how to make a DIY candy dispenser. Say bye to everyone.